Algorand's MA 10 for the most part shows a really descending pattern, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. As far as algo support floor, it generally is currently $29, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Algo falls 16–11% in 7 days, or so they sort of thought. Algorand truly is as of now esteemed at $25.18 walk 2024. In this video we will walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time most certainly gotten clarification on. Some pressing issues facts, what basically is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Algorand, all things considered, is Algo, and in every practical sense, wise speculation, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Algo specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, which most certainly is very critical. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 184%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to T2 547.85 and 58 366 in an unobtrusive manner. The very absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at Tala 138 382 160 151, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 52–16% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16–33%, which explicitly is genuinely huge, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 546.32 level after a decay of 111% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value diminishing of 3–2% coming to $3 519.83 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing, this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change of 165% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. BNB, for the most part local coin of BNB, certainly is somewhere near 38 and at present exchanging at $555.36 in a huge manner. Moreover, XRP came to lower than 61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 178% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market really is going in an extremely descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 52–16% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16–33%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Right now, a general in every way that really matters, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which truly shows what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 546.32 level after a decay of 111%, which certainly is very critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases sort of become significantly more in every practical sense dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Kind of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Algo specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us essentially discuss the really current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants in every way that really matters become move sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving all things considered higher in and in every way that really matters large way. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution. The fundamentally current Algorand cost generally is $25, with an exchanging volume of $123 741 and 951 in the very beyond 24 hours. So support generally is a level at which purchases essentially become commonly more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, certainly further appearance how yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Algo specialized examination. Really let us generally discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. At present, Algo by and large is somewhere near 852% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $232 460 894 USD. So Algorand's MA 10 explicitly shows a sort of descending pattern in an essentially significant manner. Algorand value examination, Algo cost examination for 18 walk 2024 inside a kind of everyday time period really made sense of beneath, so yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Algo specialized investigation. Basically, let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations in an especially large manner. We utilize especially relative strength indexes, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving in every way that really matters, normal SMA and outstanding moving most certainly normal MA to all things considered, dissect. The future development of the Algorand, showing how which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%, or so they in a real sense thought. The coin in every way that really matters is going down as it in every way that really matters break under two essential help levels of $29 and $27, showing how Algo falls 16-11% in 7 days in a very enormous way. The market generally isn't reasonable for bulls and explicitly bears could in every practical sense take Algo towards the really next help at $25, showing that we utilize certainly relative strength indexes, moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving commonly normal SMA and outstanding moving in every way that really matters, normal MA to generally dissect the future development of the Algorand, exhibiting how which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%, which basically is very huge, while Algo's Williams percent R pointer in every practical sense is at 42.99 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange genuinely signal truly is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how support generally is a level at which purchases in a real sense become genuinely more sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, certainly further appearance how yet prior to. Plunging extremely profound into the Algo specialized examination, fundamentally let us for the most part discuss the genuinely current economic situations which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Algo's moving truly normal combination and difference MACD marker for the most part is showing in every practical sense. Present moment certainly sell pretty sign as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath beautiful sign line, which basically implies bears especially are ruling in the market in a huge way. The in every practical sense relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the Algo coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 31, so following truly are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution. The by and large current Algorand cost basically is $25, with an exchanging volume of $123,741,951 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, so support generally is a level at which purchases generally become commonly more exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of addition